Hi, my name is Agape Cosplay. Today we are making Kayle's wings from League of Legends. Welcome to the shop. I really love League of Legends, especially the character Kayle and her Iron Inquisitor skin. Now, because of the rework though, she has 4 wings instead of 2, which will be twice the work and a bit of an extra challenge, but I definitely think that we can do it. We must start with the boring part, which is making the harness, so let's do it! So now that I am done transferring this pattern onto 10mm Sintra, I will ask Steve to cut this out for me using a jigsaw. So now that I am done sanding, it is time to solve the last problem, because this is not how my back looks. So the good thing about Sintra is that it can be shaped with heat. So now that my harness is done, we can get started on the frame of the wings and then later the mechanics. So some time has passed since we had to order quite a lot of stuff. So now we have all the harness pieces. It is time to start on the base of the wings. For that we will need a PVC pipe, which is roughly 1.5 meters long. We will need 4 of these for all 4 wings, and we will be cutting these into pieces of roughly 70 centimeters. We now have this weird bendy shape, and it's quite roughly done, but that's okay because we're gonna put a lot of stuff over this still. One thing we will have to do, however, is reinforce this joint. This is where it will sit against the harness so that the wing nicely comes out of your back. But because we have bent this PVC at such an angle, it's a very weak joint, so we will have to reinforce this with Worbla. I'll quickly show you how it's going to work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a flat joint and we're gonna put it in between here and attach it with some nuts, and it's gonna move like this. Corona happened. While I was gone, I have not done much, let's say that. I put a hinge on the tubes. I started on making a holding thing out of fabric for the feathers, and well, I've been cutting a lot of feathers. So for the feathers, I used about 2.5 extra large sheets, 2mm foam in low density, which equates to about 400 feathers, I think. It could be more. I didn't count. Hey, woo! So after cutting out the feathers, we're starting out with 2 coats of Plasti-Dip. After that, we will apply acrylic paint in the color we desire. I decided to go for red. And when you're done with that, repeat it about 400 times. We did it, guys! The feathers are glued on. Now we just need to put the armor and then put everything together. We're almost there. The wings also have armor. For this we used 5mm high density foam glued with contact cement. To save some effort we also used some foam dowels for the angled edges on the curve. Just a matter of cutting and gluing foam together. Just don't forget to heat seal. All the armor pieces were then primed with 2 layers of Plasti-Dip and spray painted gold. I made a mistake when sawing the PVC pipe, so the lever is not long enough for the wings to open properly without forcing the PVC pipe. To fix this we added some wooden sticks. After that's done, we attached the ropes, let them come together in the back, and voila! So thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad this project is finished. Special thanks to CaptainGhostly, to SkyShark Cosplay, and to the HerbWizard. Also special thanks to Cosplayshop for the materials. You can find all of those in the description below. We'll see you on the next video.